This is the Detroit Urban Artifacts. Let's go check it out and see how it is. Come on. All right, y'all, we're checking out the Detroit Urban Artifacts, and I am so excited for this because, one, this is not just your average, vintage resale. This is a true museum. If you are looking to just spend a great afternoon, this is the place you want to check out. From doorknobs to signage to jewelry to paintings to records, they have some of everything here. And the couches as well, like look at those leather couches, beautiful. As well as, they have some of everything. So if you're trying to restore a classic Detroit home and stay true to the architectural history and that period of time, this is a place to check out. And look how cool these paintings are. You cannot tell me that little Annabelle is not hiding in those paintings. Super haunted, but super cool. I really wanted to get them. But they have taxidermy, they have sculptures. Look how cool this violinist sculpture is. And that's just one of so many. If you just want to check it out and just have a really fantastic afternoon, this is the place to go. They are going to be back open. They're the first and third or every other weekend. So the next time to check it out would be this coming weekend of May. So May 1st or my apologies, May 2nd, May 3rd, May 1st. This is the time to check it out this coming weekend. And on top of that, look, they have doors. And I always say, you can check out salvage yards, you can check out vintage shops. But if you go to these places and let's say they don't even have the exact size or thing that you're looking for, they know exactly where to get it. So I always say check these places out if you're trying to restore a particular home. To all of my investor friends out there or just new homeowners who are just looking to stay historically accurate to the home's age. I mean, look how cool it is. Just so many great things from large signage to the custom doors to get your French doors. And on top of that, they have jewelry there too. 10 out of 10, recommend to check it out. Okay, so just came back from the Detroit Urban Artifacts. Super cool. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Definitely some haunted stuff in there. Just felt the energy. You already, But you all should go and just let me know what you all find. I got something, I'm going to wait to show y'all after, once it's decorated. But, let me know what you all find and your catch of the day is. Finished showings, definitely looking for more options for my buyers, but also currently accepting new buyers, especially for the spring summer market. We're looking to help at least 15 to 20 buyers just for this spring season. So let's make it happen. Where should we go to next? What's our next find, you all?